In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money online with CPA marketing and content logging. And for those who don't know what CPA marketing is basically just having people to complete an action, and this action varies. It could be an email submit, it could be signing up for an offer, or it could be having people install an app. It's that simple. Unlike affiliate marketing, where you have to make money when people make a purchase, and that can be difficult because not everybody is ready to make a purchase or pay for a service. With that out of the way, so the first thing you want to do is come to Google and type in how to grow on Instagram. And don't worry, I'm going to explain while we go in this video why you need to do this. So once you type in how to grow on Instagram on Google, you are going to see a lot of search results. Then you want to click on this website and you want to rewrite these articles. And don't worry, you are not going to be going to Fiverr or doing it yourself. There are a lot of tools that are going to help you rewrite these articles for absolutely free. So the first one you can use is you can use Quillbot. So you can come to quillbot.com. If you come to quillbot.com, you can just paste in your article here and it's going to rewrite the article. Or you can also use another website called spinbot.com to rewrite the article. You can just paste it in here and then it's going to rewrite it for you. Or if you are really lazy, you can just copy this guide here. You don't have to rewrite the article if you don't want to. So I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can download this article. So after getting your article, the next thing you are going to do is you want to go to idplr.com. So once you are on idplr.com, then you want to type in Instagram on the search box and search for that. Okay, as you can see, there are a lot of products that popped up. There are a lot of PLR products, and PLR products, you can use them for absolutely free. You can make money with them. You can even resell them if you want. So you don't need to worry about copyright issues. So there are a lot of guides here that you can download for absolutely free. So as you can see, it says Instagram guides for beginners. So basically you want to create an account on idplr.com. So once you've created an account, they will allow you to download this PLR product for absolutely free. So once you hit the download button, and after you've downloaded it, you want to come to another website called Quora. So you want to come to Quora.com. Okay, so once you're on Quora.com, don't worry, you are not going to be spamming Quora at all. I'm going to show you a better strategy of how to get traffic from Quora. So if you come to SimilarWeb, you can see Quora gets 540 million visitors per month. And you can see the countries that visit Quora the most. You can see where most of the traffic is coming from. Okay, so now if you go back to Quora, what you're going to do, you want to come to the search bar and type in how to grow on Instagram. So you can see a lot of questions. You can see a lot of questions of people looking for ways to grow on Instagram. You can see a lot of them showed up. So what you're going to do now, so once you've rewritten the article you got from Google, or you can just copy this one that provided for you. So what you're going to do now is you want to go on your CPA group account or your CPA lead account to make a content locker. Okay, so once you make the content locker, then you want to have this PLR article uploaded somewhere. So you are going to redirect, you are going to content log this PLR product. Once you have your link, your content locker link, you are going to replace your content locker link. You are going to put it in here. And this content locker link, once they click on this link, they will be taken to your content locker. Once they complete the locker, they will be redirected to this PLR product. So now coming back to Quora, what you want to do, you want to copy this article. You want to copy the whole of it or the one you've rewritten. So you want to copy that and make sure you don't want to include your link everywhere in the post, because that could get your answer deleted. So you just want to have a single link in the whole of the article. Then you come back to Quora and then you click on these questions. And I tell you, there are a lot of questions about Instagram on Quora. You can see there is one here. How do I gain 1,000 followers? How do I gain 1,000 followers in 7 days? So there are a lot of questions. You can see another one here about Instagram. So basically you can just answer all these Instagram questions and link them to this PLR product for absolutely free. So it's a win-win for everybody. So what you're just going to do is you can come to any of the questions and then you can leave an answer to that question. So basically you can come to any of the question and leave an answer. So basically you can just come in here and paste in the article. Okay, so once you do that, then you add the comments and then you do the same thing for other questions. While you are doing the same thing for other questions, you can just make a few little tweaks here and there so that your content doesn't look spammy. Okay, so you can just make a few, maybe change a few lines so that it stays unique. So basically that is how you copy this answer and paste it on other questions relating to Instagram. This is how you can get some of this traffic to your content locker for absolutely free. So to reiterate, first thing you want to do is you want to come to Google, you want to type in how to grow on Instagram. Okay, so once you've rewritten the article, or you take a copy, or you copy this one that I made available to you, you can go to Quora and then search for how to grow on Instagram, and then you are going to see a lot of questions related to Instagram, and then you answer the question, leaving which will include your CPA link, okay, which you must have made in your CPA Grip account or CPA Lead account, and then you want to redirect them to your content locker, and then you must have downloaded a PLR product which you will direct them to, and then you paste it on Quora. So it's a very simple process. And of course, if you like this video, please drop a thumbs up on this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace and love.